Hello one all, and my name is Mark Simpson of Boostly. Hopefully you should know about by now. That's literally my face right there. But we had a question put up in the hospitality community, and I asked about Boostly Content Creator and why people weren't part of it. And there's a lot of people who said that they are, which is great, but there's a lot of people here who said they'd like to see more examples and exactly how it works. And this is why I'm recording this video. So the Boostly Content Creator is made up of multiple different sections, but the whole point of it and the whole reason why it was created is that members of this group, members of the hospitality community, came to me and asked for help. So one of the biggest pain points, and you may have this now, and or you may have had it in the past, is that hosts know they need to be posting every single day on social media. The problem is that they haven't got the time, or they haven't got the thinking capacity on what to post every single day. So I'm very fortunate. I'm very fortunate in that I've got some amazing people that I can work with. Myself, I've posted daily videos for the past 1,000 plus days. I post every single day on every single platform, and there's definitely a system and a structure to it. Now, as much as I try and teach it, I know that people just want it done for them. So one part of Boostly Content Creator is this, and like I said, there's multiple different facets of it. So part of Boostly Content Creator, what we do is I work with an agency, and they create 30 plus pieces of content every single month, and we've been doing it now for nearly a year. And the content can be used on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Pinterest, anywhere. You name it, you can use it. So the way that it works, and I'll give you this little sneak peek here, is the images are created. So all you have to do is download them to your computer, your phone, whatever. And the copy has been 80% created for you. So you can copy and paste if you like, or you can use it as inspiration, or you can just basically add in your location. It's dated, but it's also short and long form as well, and it's based around what's coming up. So the month that we're looking at right now is February 2021. Obviously, there's Chinese New Year, Valentine's Day, etc., Pancake Day. There's lots of things for all over the world, and all you do is you drag that, save it, or you go to the Dropbox folder and you can save different styles. So it works for everything. Now, the cool thing about this is that it's released at the end of every month in a coming month. So you can just copy paste it and personalize it and go over to a platform just like Facebook Creator Studio, for example. And on Facebook Creator Studio, if you've never used it before, you get started. And when you create a post, you can line them up. So you can schedule it up for the coming month. And the cool thing about it is that you can actually use this for Facebook and Instagram, which is really powerful. So again, you can link them up at the same time. So you can line up the whole month literally on one platform. Now, another part of Boostly Content Creator is that you also get email templates. And these email templates have been tried, tested, and proven to bring in direct bookings. I get messages every single week saying that somebody's used one of these templates and it has brought in direct bookings. This is a major part of it. There's lots of different styles. One to send to corporate companies to get past the gatekeeper, one to send to previous guests to get them to rebook, one to load into your email automation triggers with your PMS. There's tons of them. This is as well included. You also get video templates. So these video templates have been created to stop the scroll. Styles for every social media channel. We've got lots of different ones, from workation to gift vouchers, staycations, book direct, business, rural, parties, pet friendly, you name it, there's videos in there. And right at this present moment in time, we are working on something new. We are working on a brand new idea that will mean that we will help you with the headline copy of your website. If you're trying to think of what the headline copy of your website is, this is what it is. The first thing that somebody sees when they land on your website. So many people with websites, and we see it every day with Boostly and what we do. They have the same message, or they have no message at all. And that first thing that you read is all important. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working with a copywriter and a designer, and we're going to be coming up with different headlines for your website so you can turn lookers into bookers. Now, as you can see, if you want to come and join, boostlycontentcreator.com, it's just £5 a month. Now, this should be £30, £35, £40 a month, but I've put it at that price because I want everybody to be involved. I want everybody all over the world to be involved in this. I don't want there to be any excuses on the price in front why they are not doing this. There's no contract. There's no minimum term. You can literally pay as you go, £5 a month. The more people we get in here, the more then I invest to make this better. So this is not a money-making exercise. This is simply a case of making sure that hosts all over the world never struggle with an email, never struggle with a social media post, never struggle with what to write, what to send, what to put out there. I do over 1,000 marketing reviews, and I can instantly see those who are struggling and those that need help when it comes to their social media. So this is why I created this. The more people we join, the bigger and better this becomes. So I would love, and everybody else in the group would love for you to be part of it. For the price of fish and chips, a couple of coffees at Starbucks, that's all it costs. The return of investment on this is huge. It's imparable. Even if you do nothing for 12 months and then you decide to kick it in and you get one booking from it, the return of investment is madness. All I ask is, number one, that you join, and I want everybody to join. Everybody in the hospitality community, I want everybody to join. But what I want you to do is to invite your friends, invite your hosts, because the more people that we can get into here, if we can get 5,000 people into here, this is going to be so powerful moving forward to what I can create. So hopefully this explains it. I'd love for you all to be part of it. The link is boostlycontentcreator.com, BOOSTLY contentcreator.com. Just literally come here, click on the orange button, takes you down here. You click on there, you load it up, click pay now. It'll take you to the basket. Let's get rid of that website. And it'll say just £5 a month. Click proceed to checkout, fill in your details, click pay, put your credit card details, and off you go. You'll get an automated email that will welcome you to the Boostly Content Creator. Then you'll be welcomed into our Facebook group with everybody else that's part of it. And that's it. We're away. And I really would love it for you to be part of it. And there's a lot of other people in here excited to see you as well. Thank you for watching, and I shall speak to you soon.